In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve your layout of your lead magnet to increase conversions by tweaking the headline design. So let's jump in. The headline of your lead magnet needs to convey emotion. It's very important that you grab the attention of your reader in order to convey emotion. You can do that with the built-in Ask AI tool in LeadCreator, where we could type in the prompt area, we copy the heading, and ask AI to replace the ultimate guide to cooking mouth-watering salmon with an emotional one. Ask AI, the heartfelt journey to creating unforgettable salmon dishes. So we could copy that, put it here, the heartfelt journey to creating unforgettable salmon dishes. This sounds a lot more emotional and would invoke some action in the reader to continue reading. All of these enhancements I was able to do in LeadCreator, my favorite lead magnet tool. Other enhancements that could be applied to the heading would be to highlight just sections of the heading area to, like, we could make the heartfelt section of the heading italics. It's already bolded here. Could apply a different color in heartfelt and make sure to update the published version if you want to keep that. And also, it's possible to highlight the background of the text using text background. It's not like the italics. It would highlight the whole section of the heading. That looks really nice. You capture the attention of the reader so that they can keep reading. And as they're scrolling through, there are other enhancements that can be applied. For example, the table of contents can be bolded and the text can have a different, can do italics on the chapter headings. You could style chapter headings also in different colors on the background of the chapter heading. If you want to increase the size of headings, you can go into the font size section. You have a slider where you can increase the size of the font to your liking. Text highlights, of course, can be changed. And this is all done in LeadCreator AI to enhance the look of your lead magnet. And don't forget to update the published version, and you can always view your lead magnet, especially if you haven't done any early pop-ups. I have this one set to 75% of scrolling down the page, so the reader would have a good chunk of the information already, but just before they get to the end, that's where the prompt, the pop-up, will come to enter the information. This is all achievable with a LeadCreator tool. If you click on the link below, you get more information on this tool and the amazing things that it will be able to do for your lead magnet campaigns.